By the state to revoke the firearm license of former President Uhuru Kenyatta's son, Jomo Kenyatta. Jomo moved to court seeking the judiciary's intervention in the matter that has grabbed national headlines and asking the court to stop the state from revoking his firearms license. We get more from our very own Lillian Mooley.
John Jomo Kenyatta, in his urgent application, had asked the court to stop the chief licensing officer, the Firearms Licensing Board, and the Attorney General from withdrawing his license without following the due process set out in the Firearms Act. Jomo, through his lawyer Fred Ngatia, stated that among other reasons, there was no explanation given to him as to why the decision was taken. Kenyatta challenged the decision by the licensing officer and the board, saying that it was initiated in bad faith and is contrary to the rules of natural justice, illegal, violated the Constitution, and was an abuse of power and is in excess of authority and legal power. He added that his license is valid until April next year. Justice Jairus Nga granted prayers sought by John Jomo Kenyatta for an order of certiorari to quash the chief licensing officer and the Firearms Licensing Board decision to unilaterally and or arbitrarily revoke his firearms license number 0000530 without following due process set out in the Firearms Act. Justice Nga barred the Firearms Licensing Board from revoking Jomo's firearm license or demanding that he surrenders his firearm without following the due process of law. Justice Nga also ordered Jomo to serve the licensing officer, the board, and the Attorney General the suit within 7 days, directing that they will have 7 days after service in which to respond to the motion, and adding that parties will highlight their submissions on the 27th of September 2023 due to the impending August-September judiciary recess. On the 21st of July 2023, police visited the residence of Kenyatta and directed him to return his firearm and certificates for review. Lillian Mooley, Citizen TV.